Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I believe is the best shelf bracket kit on the market right now, the BATODA 6 floating shelf bracket. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just looking to spruce up your home decor, these brackets offer both style and functionality. Let's get into why they're so impressive. The BATODA floating shelf bracket is designed for those who want to achieve a modern, minimalist look with their shelves. It's crafted from solid steel, ensuring durability and a weight capacity of up to 75 pounds when mounted correctly to a stud or brick wall. First off, these brackets create a stunning illusion of shelves floating on the wall, thanks to their hidden design. They tuck neatly inside the shelf, leaving no visible hardware to disrupt your decor. Installation is a breeze with the BATODA kit. They include everything you need: 16 attachable screws and wall plugs, along with straightforward instructions. You don't need to be a professional to achieve a sturdy, professional-looking installation. The brackets are not just about looks, they're built to last. Enhanced with a galvanized finish for rust protection. These brackets are designed for long-term use and to maintain their sleek appearance over time. If you're looking for a shelf bracket kit that combines style, durability, and ease of installation, BATODA stands out. They back their product with excellent customer support and a satisfaction guarantee, ensuring you can buy with confidence. Overall, the BATODA 6 floating shelf bracket is a top contender in the world of home improvement accessories. Whether you're adding shelves to your living room, kitchen, or workspace, these brackets deliver on both form and function. If you're interested in upgrading your shelving setup, I've included a link in the description below where you can find these BATODA brackets. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and product insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.